everybody, Chanel767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Today's video is another headband wig. Now remember the last time I do a headband wig installation, I had already installed on my head. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to do another headband wig with no installation, no lace and no glue. If you're interested in this type of video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit this notification bell for What's Popping with Chanel767. So the hair we're going to review today is from Grace and Glamour. This is the bag, and then it's open up like this, and then you remove it, and this is the hair. So with this unit, it comes with a net to protect the hair, and also it comes with a paper inside. Now this unit is customized from Grace and Glamour. It's 10-inch kinky curl and it comes with 2 bundles. Now I asked her to make it into bundles because I want this unit as natural as possible, but however, if you want to add more bundles to this unit, it is possible for more volume. Now the inside of this unit looks like a stocking cap. Let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, there is no adjustable strap and no comb at all. And you can see the details in the thread. You can see that she takes her time to stitch every single thing, and I really like that. You can see that she takes pride in her work. So I flip it back over, and this is what the unit looks like. Also, what I like about this unit, it comes with 2 sides right there. So this helps you to know if your unit is on the side or in the middle, and I really like that about this unit. So I'm going to show you how this unit look like finally. Let's go. So I put this unit on, right? Put this unit on. As you can see, it was on the side, so I'm going to put it in the middle. And voila, you have your unit on your head already. That is so easy. That is so easy. I love this unit a lot. And about this unit, it feels so light. You don't feel like you have hair on your head. It's super light, and I really love this unit for that. I like it. So this is what it look like. Now another thing about this unit, what I realized, just as the last time I do my video of headband wig, it goes all the way back, so you cannot part it in the middle and you cannot part it on the side. Just one way, which is all the way back. And another thing about this unit, as you can see, is in its natural state. Once you add mousse to it or water, it opens up. So I'm not going to show you yet how I do that. We're only going to do the install today. I'm going to show you how I read this unit using the different headbands. Now in my last video, again, I show you how to wear headband with 10 different headbands with just cloth that you have lying around your house. Now I'm going to show you originally how to style your headband with real headband, which is this right there. So I'm going to show you what is working right now. So I put this, remove the hair, remove the hair, move the hair all around. So I'm fixing the back right now. Now I'm going to adjust. I'm just trying to get a mirror. Right, sorry, just trying to get a mirror. And voila, your headband is on your head. So basically you put this unit for maybe a couple seconds. It's less than 3 minutes you install this unit. I'm telling you guys. Let me give you a spin. That's it. That's how you install this unit. Super easy. No lace, no installation, and no glue, guys. Now I'm gonna show you the different headbands that I use with this unit. You enjoyed this video. Hope this video was very helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for what's popping with Chanelly 767. Until next time, my beautiful people, always mwah, peace, love, always. Bye.